Hi, my name is Thomas, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about Booster XT before you actually buy it, the pros, the cons, and whether it's really worth your money or not. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Booster XT is be careful with the website you're going to buy from, because Booster XT is only sold through the official site. Due to high demand, many people are being sold counterfeit versions of Booster XT without even realizing it. That can seriously harm your health, waste your money, and prevent you from getting the results you're looking for. So always double check that you're ordering from the official source. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is Booster XT, and does it actually work? The answer is yes. Booster XT has helped thousands of users, and it can work for you too. After many laboratory tests, researchers identified that Booster XT includes powerful natural ingredients like Tribulus terrestris, horny goat weed, saw palmetto, beta-alanine, Panax ginseng, Maca Root, L-arginine, B vitamins, creatine, and more. These components work together to address the root cause of male performance problems, helping to increase testosterone levels, boost nitric oxide production, improve blood circulation, and enhance muscle strength, stamina, and energy, whether it's low libido, weaker erections, early fatigue, or general performance decline. Booster XT helps restore vitality, confidence, and overall male health. If you've been feeling frustrated, unmotivated, or embarrassed due to lack of performance or energy, Booster XT was designed exactly for that. No more relying on temporary fixes like blue pills or prescriptions with side effects. This is a natural alternative that works from within, targeting the source, so yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with Booster XT, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test Booster XT for 60 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for Booster XT to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day, or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in the second month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, Booster XT has no side effects since it is natural. So I wanted to record this video first to tell you to be careful with the website you're buying Booster XT from. And remember, I've placed the link to the official website in the description of this video or in the first pinned comment. And also, if you do buy the product, follow the treatment exactly and take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I also hope that Booster XT actually helps you a lot to improve your life, just as it has already improved the lives of thousands of men around the world.